So we're back at pulling some screws. This is just a pile we got going. And putting in the aluminum nails. Now in some cases I had used 1.5 inches. In other cases I used inch. The inch are fine because when you put the aluminum nail in, which is 1.5 inches, you still get good wood. The 1.5 inch screws, however, I found that I need to slant the nail about this much, start it in, and then at the end the head will go flat. Back here I had used inch, so we're good there, and I can feel underneath they come through just a touch. I can kind of feel where they are, but that's it. So we're okay there. I don't like them sticking through much, and they don't really. They're just like, I can tell where they are though, in most cases, not always. So the other aspect I should note is, when I originally did this, I was concerned that these screws were not aluminum. I can't remember if they're zinc coated or titanium coated or something different. Not just steel though either. They are coated or made of something different. And they're good ones. These are the good ones. These aren't the cheap ones. I've noticed there is a difference. So the good thing is I've been pulling them off, and I'm leaving, the Geico's staying on the head of it, which is okay. I'm going to reuse these. We'll be reusing them. But you can see it's totally the way it was. The aluminum, there was no reaction. Totally good, totally nice. Same way with the screws. They're as good as the day they were put in. And the aluminum the same. So that's the good thing. I mean, the other good thing is 99% of this roof is 100% fine. So it's really, I've been focusing on these niche areas, which I knew there was issues. It bothered me. I didn't know what to do, and I don't know why it took me so long to think of this, and I should have done it originally anyways, so we're doing it now. So we've done it quite a bit here. I'm all the way over to this spot right here. And I was thinking one other interesting thing I could show you is from up here you get cool views. So you can see the slate down here, the slate roof. See that tar there? I've done some videos on that. That's from when they tarred this roof up here. So when I get up into this area, I'll try to take that all off. You can see we're around the chimney right here. So that would be nice to get up in here and do some repair on this chimney. Over here, you can see how the tree looks a lot different now. It used to come way over there to that chimney. It was overhanging. It was way over to here on this roof. So now we're looking down. This valley is one I need to do. This is the next one I'd like to do. You can see some bad slate right there. They really need, we're not having leaks right now there, but it really should be done. And then I would love to get up in here and do all this molding, painting and everything. I just enjoy that a lot. But I need to build my scaffolding to come up into there so I can, from down there, walk right up onto the roof like a matrix. I need to build that. And I should do that and do this at the same time. In fact, do this right here too. Let's see if I can turn, all this right here. So we have lots to do. I mean, we're not going to run out of projects for a long, long time. It'd be exciting to do a lot of these things. Looks like a lot of those rosettes are damaged more than other sides. So I may need to make a bunch of rosettes. I can see some shingles here and there that need changing. One right in there about in the middle of the screen. I can see there's one missing there. Oh, maybe. Yeah, at least one. Yeah, one. Something looks strange there. These three roofs need to be inspected. From a distance they look good. Dirty but good. And someday we'll redo the carriage house roof. Oh, and the bungalow, but that one's okay now. Okay, so that's what's cool about working on the roof. You got some cool scenic views. And then there's the slate roof we did years ago. That was one of the first roofs I did. I think it was the first I ever did in slate. Oh, except for a porch roof. Yeah, that came out beautiful. Okay, back to work.